channel, guys. Today I'm with MessyGarage. I'm going to give him a shout out. I'm going to link his channel. And also, if you want to find an easy way to get his channel, all you have to do is just, well, you have to go to my channel page, scroll down, or go to channels, and you'll see his.
Or just put a card right up here.
Uh-huh.
Right up there somewhere.
Today we're going to be doing something.
Or here. I don't know where. Anyway, one of these places.
Today we're going to be doing something we both have never done. Would you care to explain what we're doing?
Well, she talked me into making slime. So, and she's real particular about her slime. She wants to make fluffy slime. So. I
heard it was the best. If you don't know, I have my ZoLife hat with me. It doesn't say ZoLife on the camera, but I have it with me.
All right, so you want to tell them what we're doing?
Yep. Okay, so we're going to be making the fluffy slime, and the first step we have to do is put some glue. We have to have 1 cup of glue. So he has the cup.
And you have the glue?
Yeah, he'll be pouring it in because.
And you want to tell them what we're using? What kind we're using?
And also, if you do want to make this, the slime what we're making is a fluffy slime with no borax, and it has liquid starch in it. So, what we're going to do?
I think you got to get the washable glue.
Yeah,
that's the important thing.
We have the washable glue, and it's a school glue. And we're going to be pouring it in 1 cup. Can we speed up this part?
Yeah, let's speed it up. In post. Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh my god, it looks so weird. Ew.
1 cup is a lot.
I'm gonna have enough for both of us.
Hopefully.
Yeah, wait, is it heavy still?
Somewhat.
Alright, I can see it. Yeah, you can look up to here. Alrighty. Okay. So the next step after we do that, I'm gonna let him do that, you have to shake up this shaving cream. So the shaving cream is like, you have, well, it's not shaving cream, but you have to get the foam kind. Well,
it's shaving cream.
Yeah, it's kind of, but you have to make.
No, it's not kind of. It's exactly like shaving cream.
Oh, whatever. Okay, so you get
shaving cream.
So you get the shaving cream, but it's got to be shaving foam. Actually, that's what I was saying. Why it's not kind of. So. Yeah.
You mean not the gel kind?
Yeah.
It's got to be the foaming kind of shaving cream.
It's got to be the foam. You have to shake it up good. I think I did.
Should we rinse this gluey mess out?
Yeah, when we're done.
When we're done?
Yeah.
Did you just say just do the shaving cream right in there?
No.
Hmm?
Oh yeah, like we just squirt it in there.
No, we can square it in here as a cup. Because
Yeah.
you gotta do a cup of shaving cream too.
Oh, okay, so we could probably like wash it out too.
Or I mean, it's gonna get mixed anyway, right?
Yeah.
Did you already?
Yep, I shook up mine. You want me to shake up yours?
We can actually use the same one for now, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Shake it up already?
Yeah, I shook it up. Oh my god! You're trying to kill me!
I didn't know I was gonna do that. We'll have to speed this part up too.
Excuse me. It's a lot. Oh, that's a lot.
There you go. There you go.
Alright,
There's
mix it up.
yours. Yep.
Oh, get that you had some shaving cream on there. It looks like a giraffe! Oh, you killed a giraffe. So, okay, if you hear like a clink, like, you stuffed it in my nose! I'll be back. Blow my nose.
There's napkins right over here.
Whatever. Just like
All
the
right.
girl in touching your food.
So now we just mix it.
Yeah, we'll speed up this part. We have a lot of speed part.
Alright, so you're gonna put some color in it?
Yeah, I'm gonna put some color. Are you gonna do the green again?
Orange.
It's yellow.
Yellow.
I think I'm gonna do like 1 drop.
So now we're putting color in.
Yep. Oh, I'm scared. Alright, that's enough color for me. So what color are you doing?
I'm doing the yellow, and then I'm gonna do some blue.
Ooh, look at my blue. Ooh, look at my color. I was going for like the light blue. That's my
And
favorite.
that's kind of what you got, looks like.
God, that might have been like too much. Oh God, that might have been like a dark green.
Mine's looking crazy right now.
Mine's looking beautiful. I don't know how to drop it. I don't know if you can see, but mine is beautiful. It's a lovely blue.
You can actually probably.
Oh yeah, just get the color.
Oh, you're doing that, yeah.
Alright, so this is what mine looks like.
And here's what mine looks like.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm a camera pro like you.
Yeah, that's actually kind of cool.
Oh, I like yours. It's so pretty.
It's because I'm awesome.
Look at mine. Do you like mine?
Yeah, it's like sky blue.
Yeah. It's like a little bit darker than your shoes, though. Ooh, look at this. Oh, I can't wait to play around with this.
I'll let you play around with mine too, because it's slime and I'm an adult.
What? Slime is for adults too.
Slime is disgusting.
It's supposed to be like a stress ball. Or like a stress liquid. Hopefully we don't mess this one up too. Yeah, we're gonna have a bloopers at the end of this. The camera just suddenly stopped working.
Full camera card, actually, the SD card.
Well, yeah, it started to get full up. So we had to delete some things. And so, well, you missed because we didn't notice it at first. Well, I did, but I tried to tell you. Okay, but anyway, so what happened was we added some starch to it. And that's our activator, so we're activating it. And I just want to say, my blue is like the best blue in the world. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like super pretty.
You want another thing of this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna add some more starch to make it bigger. Oh my gosh, look at this blue. This is a sky blue. On the camera, it looks a little like darker, but I don't know. It's a sky blue for mine, super light. And then for his,
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
that's like a turquoise green, but well, for some reason it's darker on the camera.
Alright, so we're supposed to just keep on stirring this. And then
Whoa, Daddy.
it says to, at some point, we just pull it out of here and start kneading it with our hands.
I think we do it when it's getting like less stickier. We do it when it's like good. It's gonna take a while. They speed it up on the camera. It's like a little bit a minute. Daddy, it's super nice. It's super squishy.
So did we successfully create foam?
Yep.
Or slime or foam
Look,
slime?
look. Look at my beautiful blue. Guys, look.
Here's mine.
Look, this is mine.
So are we done now, or what's the deal?
We have to we're not done yet because we have to still knead it with our hands. And it's gonna be sticky, of course, but more as we knead it, it's gonna be less sticky, and it's gonna get off your hands. That's how you know when it's done.
So you gotta cut right here, and then we'll come back to.
Yeah, we're gonna come back. This is gonna take a while.
It's gonna take a while. All right.
So we finished it. My blue is beautiful, like always. Okay.
My green turned me green, which kind of sucks.
Yeah, he got stuck on his. He's a. What am I mean by stuck? I mean like.
Literally stuck.
Yeah.
And I got it stuck in my watch, so I gotta work on that.
Yeah, see.
Not good.
This is my slime. It's pretty good, and I got it off my hands. And then you see his. See, as you see this person, got it stuck on his hands and his watch. He says, wait, no, that's his Fitbit. His watch right there.
Whoa.
And, no! But that was a miracle. So, why I screamed was, last time he dripped it, that was a lot actually, but last time he dripped it, he got stuck. I think he dripped a little bit more. But I had to like clean it up, so I did.
Hulk smash!
This is so weird. You're just banging it. But also, my story. So I had to clean it up because he made such a big mess.
Yep.
So I cleaned it up, saved the day. The table's not dyed like his hands.
I've only got one hand left, and that's blue.
Me green. Oh, no,
Yeah,
blue.
something.
Kind of color.
All right.
So like and subscribe if you like slime. Comment down below what's your favorite kind of slime.
Or none. That's my favorite kind of slime.
Oh wow. Wrist. Anyways, yeah, he's doing more progress than I am. He's okay, Dad. This is
Bye.